Hi everyone, welcome back to Magic of World Travel. Today we're breaking down everything new happening at Universal Orlando Resort. From new food items to ride closures, new events, and even some big construction updates. Let's jump right in. Big news out of Islands of Adventure. The Orlando Business Journal reported that Universal has filed a permit to demolish nearly 5 acres of the Lost Continent. Universal told the Journal that there would be construction in the Lost Continent. The Director of Public Relations, Kristen Smith, said, "In the coming months, there will be construction activity in Lost Continent as part of site planning to ensure the area is ready for any future developments." Poseidon's Fury closed back in 2023, and the 8th voyage of Sinbad closed in 2018. And while Mythos and the other restaurants are still standing, their future is up in the air. Universal hasn't announced what's coming yet, but rumors are swirling about a brand new theme land. There have been rumors for many years that the Lost Continent would turn into a Legend of Zelda land, and more recently rumors have been going around about One Piece being a possibility. But we'll have to wait and see what replaces it. Mythos just had their menu revamped, so that would indicate that it might stay around a little longer. But we will go over those new food items a little bit later in the video. Halloween Horror Nights 34 is in full swing through November 2nd. This year's lineup is absolutely stacked. We've got houses based on Fallout, Jason Universe, Terrifier, Five Nights at Freddy's, and more. Plus, new scare zones, live shows, and some seriously creative food offerings. If you want to see more about the food at Halloween Horror Nights, you can watch my video where I try many of the food offerings. However, there are a few treats around the park that you can try without going to the event. At San Francisco Candy Factory, you'll find some fun Halloween-themed treats. I tried the Mel's Die-In Cake. It was okay and very sweet. I also had the Mel's Die-In Cherry Pie. It was exactly as you'd expect. Just a basic mini cherry pie. It was okay. The Freddy Fazbear's Caramel Apple might be the one to try. I've heard some good things about it, and you can't go wrong with a caramel apple. But the desserts you have to try can be found at San Francisco's Pastry Company. These are the ones to get. They have 3 Halloween treats here. Sins of the Gourd Tart, $7.99. Graham Tart Shell with pecans, pumpkin cremeux, caramel, and a cinnamon whipped ganache. This was delicious. It was light and not overly sweet, and a good size. The other pumpkin treat is Pumpkin Seance Mousse, $6.99. Creamy pumpkin mousse with a chocolate granola crumble. This was also very good. It's smaller than the Sins of the Gourd Tart, and also easy to eat on the go as it comes in a little container. The last item is Witch's Demise Cookie, $6.99. Black chocolate cookie with an Oreo cream cheese filling, whipped topping, chocolate pop rocks, bone sprinkles, and chocolate witch legs. This was also very delicious. If you don't like pumpkin, then this is the dessert for you. On top of the cookie is an Oreo filling, which is covered with the whipped topping. It's not too heavy or overly sweet, which makes it a great treat. All 3 of these desserts are must-eats. It's hard to pick a favorite because they're all so good, but if I had to, it would be the Sins of the Gourd Tart. It's a good size and light because of that pumpkin cream center. My second pick would be the Witch's Demise Cookie. You can also find it at Croissant Moon Bakery in Islands of Adventure. The Pumpkin Seance Mousse is also at Croissant Moon Bakery. I believe these Halloween treats will be available until the end of Halloween Horror Nights season. The Today Cafe also has some Halloween treats, but they were sold out the day I was there, so instead I enjoyed one of their delicious sandwiches. Over at Volcano Bay, the popular After Dark event is back. Every Friday night through October 31st, the water park lights up with music, special entertainment, and extended hours, perfect for cooling off after a long day in the parks. This is only the second time they've had this event. Volcano Bay Nights made its debut last April. The event includes complimentary popcorn, churros, and your very own Coca-Cola Freestyle cup to enjoy drinks throughout the night. It also has some specialty food and drink options that are only available for the event. The Witch's Demise cookie can also be found here during the event. These items aren't free and will cost you extra. Volcano Bay Nights also has some entertainment on the beach. Scooby-Doo and the gang will be out trying to solve a mystery. The new pass holder button and magnet are now available to pick up until they run out. The UOAP Lounge in Toon Lagoon is officially open until park close, but only for pass holder appreciation days. At Universal Studios, you can also pick up your magnet at the Tonight Shop in the New York section of the park. Here's a look at the button that will be available in October. Circus McGurkus is another restaurant that had a few menu items added to it. The contortion corn dog is no longer on the menu. There's a new hot dog, the Cheesy Crunch Pretzel Dog. It's a 3rd pound all beef hot dog, cheddar cheese sauce, jalapeno relish, barbecue mayo, honey twist corn crisp, and curly fries. This is huge and easily shareable. I had a hard time finishing it. You could easily split this with another person. It's a pretzel bun and there's a lot of bread around the hot dog, maybe a little too much. It's a long hot dog, but it is skinny. It tastes good and the cheese sauce with the jalapeno relish gave it a nice flavor, but it's a lot for one person to finish. I would rate it a it's good rating. Ride refurbishments and closures. A few important closures to note if you're visiting this fall. Hogwarts Express is down for refurbishment from September 15th through the 19th. Coming up soon, Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls will close October 6th to the 31st, and Forbidden Journey will be down November 10th to the 20th. So plan your park day accordingly. Jurassic Park River Adventure is going down for a lengthy refurbishment. The last day to ride is January 4th, 2026, and it's expected to be open on November 20th, 2026. That's almost 11 months, so make sure you ride it before it closes. Universal hasn't specified if there will be any changes, but it's great that the ride will be getting some TLC. Rip Ride Rocket permanently closed on August 18th, 2025. They've wasted no time removing the tracks for the roller coaster and beginning demolition of the attraction. We don't know what will replace it yet. Universal has not announced what the future attraction will be. Here are the new food items coming to Mythos. Tammy Crow handcrafted a watermelon salad. She was once the restaurant manager of Mythos. This salad is filled with a medley of arugula, spinach, watermelon, feta, tomatoes tossed with pumpkin seeds, spiced garbanzo beans, and cucumbers while drizzled in a strawberry lemon vinaigrette. If you love ravioli, then the spinach garlic ravioli is for you. This dish is made with a fresh sauté of tomatoes, spinach, and piquillo peppers, with an in-house pesto base made with lemon, olive oil, and a robust flavor of herbs, topped with a light burrata. Catch of the day, which consists of the chef's daily selection of fresh fish, roasted potatoes, sweet corn, baby spinach, charred tomato, and fennel cream, with a crispy fingerlings, chips, and lemon oil garnish. Sea scallop and sweet corn risotto. This dish consists of sweet corn puree, jalapeno, bacon crumb, spicy ivar, which is Serbian red pepper relish, fresh corn, and grana padano cheese. Tammy, as a former restaurant manager, said, "It's my belief that Mythos will remain a flagship of the parks, and we have a duty to bring newer, fresher takes on dishes to our guests and to inspire our team to keep doing what they do best. My hope for the future is that Mythos will continue to be looked at as the mecca of theme park restaurants that we have come to be." Mythos isn't the only restaurant to add new menu items. Confisco Grill can also be found in Islands of Adventure at the port of entry. Before we talk about the new items, there is a limited time menu item for Universal Pass holders. Universal Pass holder appreciation days are almost over. It ends September 30th, and with that, there are a few menu items that only pass holders can get. The one at Confisco Grill is called Burrito de los Muertos. I had the chance to try it while I was there. It's really good. I think it might be just the best burrito I've ever had. And it's also really big. I had a hard time finishing it. It's big enough to share. Make sure to get it while it's available. Central Park Crepes also has a specialty pass holder item that will go away at the end of the month. It's called the Chipotle Braised Pork Crepe. I wasn't able to try it when I was there because they didn't have the food items yet, but they had them a few days after I left. But back to Confisco Grill. Here are the new items. Grilled Angus beef churrasco steak. This tender charred skirt steak is dressed in jalapeno bacon and sweet corn relish, tomato, cilantro rice, and fresh chimichurri sauce. Summer avocado hummus is topped with spiced Fresno chili sauce, crisp garbanzo, and crunchy pita chips with a sprinkle of everything seasoning on top. Plus, it's vegan friendly. Curry dosa. This dish has a potato and serrano chili pepper filling and is made with coconut, jalapeno, ginger puree, and tomato cilantro chutney. Herb roasted corvina filet is pan-seared with chimichurri marinade and parmesan and served over spinach orzo salad, baby heirloom tomatoes, and a tangy butter lemon sauce. Flan brulee. Imagine flan and creme brulee in one decadent dessert. This dessert features cream cheese flan, sugar brulee, whipped topping, and warm cinnamon sugar churros. Tres leches bread pudding. This brings two delicious desserts together. This tres leches bread pudding is dressed in caramel sauce and topped with salted caramel ice cream and croissant crumble. I, for one, can't wait to go back and try these new dishes. After I tried that specialty burrito, I now understand why so many say that this is one of the best restaurants at Universal. Well, that's it for our updates for Universal Orlando Resort. Make sure to like this video if you found this information useful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.